Whoa.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, Station WXK67 in San Antonio, broadcasting on a frequency
That
of
failed.
62.550 megahertz, originating from the Austin, San Antonio
I'm gonna have to call the National Weather Service.
office. The current time is 2:13 p.m.
What in the world? I haven't gotten one of these since October 30th.
The temperature was 71.
If I wouldn't have had this, I wouldn't have known what the heck that was. I could have just taken off on my bike. But now I'm convinced I need to bring this radio with me. Yeah, that had a cool effect. Wow, nothing there. I'll count it as an EAS still. Well, actually, I don't know if that was a fail. But at least I got the scroll.